Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to install WhatsApp in iPhone. So first go to App Store, then go search, in the bar of search write WhatsApp, then click download, and now wait until finish download WhatsApp. Now click open and click agree and continue. Click allow and select here your country, for example United States. Then write your phone number here. Then click next. Click yes. Here write the verification code. Then click skip restore. Click allow. Here you can add a picture for your profile. You can take a picture or you can choose a photo from your device. And here give a name to your profile, for example Naz. Click done. Here you can add your email. Click add email or not now. Now you can easily chat with your friend. Click in the plus button and select, for example, your friend, and you can send a message to them. So thank you so much for watching me. See you to the next video.